So guys, we are going on top now. Namaste everyone and welcome back to the channel. So guys, right now I'm in Todopoda. It's so difficult to pronounce for me. I used to say earlier Todopoza, but the pronunciation is totally different. It's Todopoda. Malayalam people, they can understand. And right now I'm in which mala? Parampura. Paramghat Mala, and Mala is mountain in Malayalam. So it's so nice to be here, and I'm with my host. His name is Lijo. Correct, no?
Yeah.
And he's such a nice person. Thank you so much for hosting. He's shy. And now I'm gonna show you the view. So guys, this is the view you can see from here. These all are wild beans. So guys, right now we are inside the Thoman Kuttu Eco Park, Ecotourism Park, and Thoman is the name of that person, who fell down in this waterfall and passed away, and Kuttu means waterfall in Malayalam. So I'm going to show you that waterfall now. This is not so famous place, like people, they don't know, it's unexplored. And we are joined by Rijo's cousin. She's there. Shilu. She's busy. So guys, Kerala is very very scenic and it's very very lush and green, but there are so many mosquitoes. And you are not allowed to go close to the waterfall because of past incidents. More than how many people passed away in this? 2022. Okay. It feels like I'm in Meghalaya, but still every place is unique in their own way. Look at this tree structure. It's like a cabin they make in A-shape. A-shape cabin. Nice stream. Nice bridge they've got. So here is the waterfall. Hiking to this waterfall was fun. It's so beautiful. That side. There. So we are going to different side. Thoman Kuttu waterfall.
She's an experienced person. And here we have
Guys, enjoy the waterfall. So guys, we are leaving this waterfall now. It was good to come here. So guys, now we have come to Anachadi Kuttu. You can see this waterfall. People are enjoying over here. one elephant died over here. That's why, it got the name from that. Ana means elephant. Ana Chati Kutte. Kutte means waterfall. I told you already. So guys, we are going on top now to see the waterfall, and it's so hot. So guys, we have finally reached on the top of this waterfall, and it's very very hot over here. But views are good. I'll show you in some time. You can see this, and there are few houses over there. So, so guys, I hope you enjoyed this little, tour of this place, and I'll be showing you more in next vlogs. So with that, first of all, I would like to say thank you.
Bye.
So with that, I'm gonna end my today's vlog over here, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Till then, take care of yourself and stay safe. Bye.